Hi everyone, my name is Muhammad Afiq Daniel bin Abdullah and my matrix number is BS241100033. I will begin our presentation on our C programming project, which is titled Hardware Inventory Project. So this program helps manage an inventory of tools using the file handling in C. So the first one is we gonna include the standard libraries, which is yeah in the slide. So the max we define the max underscore records is set to 70, which means we are handling a fixed size database of up to 70 tools. The next step is we define a structure tool to represent each tool in our inventory. So each tool gonna have an ID, a name, a quantity, and a cost. The next one is we use the function initializer file. So what this function gonna do is it gonna create a binary file called hardware.dat and fills it with 70 blank tool records. It uses a loop with fwrite to prepare the file for later operations. So the next one is we using the add tool function. This function gonna let the user to add a new tool. So it first asks for an ID between 1 to 70. Then it gonna ask for the name, the quantity, and the cost. It use fseek for to go to the correct position in the file, and then it's gonna save the record using fwrite. So this allows us to directly insert data into specific slot in the file.
My name is Perry Franklin. So here I will explain about the two function of tools, which is the list tool and the delete tool. I will explain about the function tools of list tool, and the first is open the hardware.dat file in read binary mode, and then this is the print a table header for better formatting, and then this is the loop through all 70 tools records since the max record is 70, and then this is check if the record is not empty, and then the last one is this is the display each valid tool in a formatted row, and then this is the close the file after listing. For example, this is the output. We type 3, and then this is the list that I add, which is the first one is pencil, quantity, and the cost, and then the second is chair. Alright, and then after that I will explain about the function of delete tool. The first one is open the file in read write binary mode, and then this is the ask the user to enter a tool ID to delete, and then this is check if the ID is valid between 1 and 70, and then this is create empty tool record to override the existing one, and then this is the override the current record with the empty one, and then the last one is this is the close the file and confirm delete. For example, this is the output. I will type 4, and then I will type number 2, and then the tool has been deleted. To make sure, we type 3, and then the only one is pencil. Also, thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Al-Huzaiman bin Dawis. My metric number is BS2411027. So I will continue about this presentation and I will talk about update tool and main menu. So first is we use to avoid update tool to open the binary mode to make sure that we open a new file. If we don't open a new file, the file will not be saved. So next, use this code to update the tool we want, 1 until 70, and this coding to make sure the tool we choose is valid, that is in the memory. For specifically, if the number we choose is not in option, this coding the will make will show no tool font at this. That show that we choose a wrong number or there is something wrong we do. Okay, we can see. We can just run this coding. Uh, I already add the tool and just type 3 to check. There is paper and pencil. So if you want to update, we can choose 5. The tool. There is 1 or 2. I will choose 1. I will enter new. There is the ball into my quantity for 3. So we can check if the tool is updated or not in 3. It's already. So if you want to check the wrong is just 5, 3. We can see this output. No, tool from at this because they only 2. So that is for the update tool. So next is the main menu for user direction. We will just print F and type the main menu like initialize file, add tool, list tool, delete tool, update tool, exit. So each number we choose will switch to the operation, and if the number is not in option, it will be invalid option. So just run it. It will be like this. And if we choose the number is not in option, it will be invalid option. And it is for main menu interaction. Okay. This is all from me. Thank you.